Well, it's the Gina. Woo! Yeah, press the clapping button. There's a clapping button there. Can you see it? Hear it? They're made of super soft leather. You've been wearing yours. How did you get on?
I have, yeah. I literally found, I know I say this a lot, but especially with these, there was no wear whatsoever. I literally put them on and straight away comfortable. The heel is just, oh, you've got it on a close-up, haven't you?
Yeah, yeah. Let me show you the bottom.
Stunning heel.
The sole's pretty cool as well. Look at that.
Yeah, really, really beautiful. I'm obsessed with them. I've got the burnt sienna pair, and
they're fab. Now, one thing I would say is, I'll do the close-up on the black as well. One thing to notice is that it's probably a bit easier to see on the other one, but it's got a zip. So basically, what you want to be doing is, when you put them on, this will accommodate. It's like a normal boot. It'll come undone. You could literally undo it there, never use that zip. But once you kind of get it to really loosen it up, put it on, get it as tight as you dare, and then you'll be good to go. Don't just undo that and expect to get your foot in. No. It's not going to work.
No,
you need to kind of adjust it to get it to fit for you. But I think they're gorgeous.
They are stunning.
Yeah,
really,
yeah.
really. So Nicola is one of our ambassadors, and she's called Living the Colourful Life, and she has had a pair of our burnt sienna ones. All I can say is, wow, these boots are amazing. I love their signature mod pattern heel, which is like the Dusties.
Yep.
And handy side zip features. The colour is just perfect for autumn, winter, and they are such an amazing fit. The boots scream autumn, and I love them. Now,
I've got a fairly long one from Kimatron. Kimatron is one of our ambassadors, which you're going to see in the pictures in a minute. But she said this: the Gina is the 60s mod 70s does Victoria crossover boot I've always wanted. Now, yeah, go with this. My style tends to span decades depending on my mood, and these boots are so versatile that I've managed to pair them with so many favourite outfits since receiving them, a perfect autumn staple. As is always the case with mod shoes, the Gina boots are immediately comfortable, no breaking in. My feet are on the wider side, but the laces allow for greater flexibility, which is what we were going for. Allow great fit, a winner. So, fantastic. Let's run a VT of young Sarah showing you how she's done them.
So I've reviewed the long boot in this brilliant burnt orange shade, and straight away you can see how well it goes with the colours in this dress. So that worked out well, didn't it? This colour really is so unique. I think I'd have to describe it as like an autumn leaf. You know those red and orange leaves you get in the autumn? It is exactly that. It's a brilliant shade, and I think you have to see it in person to truly appreciate it. But a colour like this you can do so much with, because you can either pair it with more muted tones, maybe even black and white, and really let that colour speak for itself. Or if you, like me, you can experiment a bit more and have some fun with the colour. I found that it goes well with oranges, yellows, mustards, olive green, red. So there is some colour clash in there, but if you're into the 60s like me, that's going to work really well for you. On the practical side, these are going to keep your feet really dry and warm, which, as we know, as we move into the colder and wetter months, that's so important. I've been wearing these all week and it's been absolutely chucking it down, but my feet have been dry as a bone, so that's a huge plus. They're great for walking in because that heel is nice and sturdy and it's not too high. It's probably a couple of inches at most. But adding another element of uniqueness is that black and white, almost checkerboard heel. Yeah, you're not going to find another boot like this autumn and winter. So mod shoes have done it again.
Go.
So on the screen in a minute you will see an outfit suggestion, and that is Kim, who is Kimatron, and she is wearing two different outfits showing different eras.
I think that's fab. Now, what's literally brilliant about those two pictures, on the left hand side she's wearing the white dress, very Victorian.
Yes.
I wouldn't say it's like Peaky Blinders. It's much earlier than that.
Yeah,
it's like an Edwardian look, but that's a great autumn
it's gorgeous.
look.
I love it.
Yeah, she looks amazing. But likewise, she's teamed it for a 70s disco, late 60s funk show. You could go to a disco in that and still look really cool. That's so
and
real.
I think that's a bit of an office look as well. You could get away with that in the office.
Yeah. If you worked in a
really
funky
fun.
office,
definitely, yeah.
Yeah. No, I think that's a really good look. I think Kim's done a done us totally proud there. I really love those two looks. And the fact she's utilised it in so many ways.
Yeah.
And it was what I was thinking when I saw the boots.
Yes, yeah.
So, yeah.
Very Edwardian.
Right, you're going to talk to us about Sarah, I believe.
Yes, so next on the screen you will see 60s seeker, Sarah. She is wearing two different outfits again, both very 60s, both very fun, and she's wearing the burnt sienna.
She is. Now, I think, again, it's another great look. Shows its...
Amazing.
What's not utility? That is not a word. What is utility?
I'm not sure now.
You can wear it for lots. Yeah, versatility, yeah. I only had to go one more letter in the alphabet, really, didn't I? Versatility. But what was interesting, what the picture we're going to lead with, if you look at the front of the website at the moment, there's a picture of you in them.
There is.
Yeah.
Yes.
And again, the outfit again is different. It's much more contemporary. So I don't think it's an old looking outfit.
No.
It can be a very contemporary
Yeah,
thing.
definitely. You can go from one extreme to the other with these.